In today's video, we're going to cover how to enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot. Start inside HubSpot and go to Sales, then Sequences. From there, open the sequence you want to use. Once the sequence is open, select the Enrollments tab. This is where you can manage who is currently in the sequence and review activity tied to each enrollment. Next, move to the upper right corner and click Enroll Contacts. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Enroll Contacts from that menu to open the enrollment window. This is the point where you begin adding a contact to the selected sequence. In the Contact Selection area, search for the contact you want to enroll. When the right match appears, select it. If needed, you can also choose more than one eligible contact at the same time. Make sure the contacts you select are the ones you want in this sequence before moving forward, especially if you are working with similar names or records. After that, review the sequence timeline shown in the enrollment window. This section lays out what will happen after the contact is enrolled. You will see the automated emails, tasks, calls, and delays that are scheduled as part of the sequence. Take a moment here to confirm that the order and timing match the outreach you intend to send. At the bottom of the same window, look at the From email address. Verify that it shows the connected inbox you want to use for this sequence. If more than one sending account is available in your account, this is an important detail to check before the sequence begins. Since the messages will go out from that selected inbox, then review any available enrollment options. Depending on the sequence and your account setup, you may be able to adjust settings such as the starting step, send timing, or time zone. Update those settings if needed so the sequence starts in the right place and follows the timing you want for that contact. Once everything looks correct, go to the lower right corner and click Start Sequence. That action enrolls the selected contact and begins the sequence based on the schedule and options you just confirmed. After the sequence starts, return to the Enrollments tab to monitor progress. From there, you can view scheduled activities for each enrolled contact, check where they are in the sequence, and watch how the enrollment is moving forward. You can also pause or unenroll contacts if needed, and review sequence performance from the same area as activity continues. Your selected contacts are now enrolled in the HubSpot sequence and can be monitored from the Enrollments tab